In this video, I'll show you how you can set up a profile pin in Crunchyroll. Now all you have to do is on your computer, open a browser and go to crunchyroll.com, and then from here sign in to your account. Once you sign into your account, click on your profile icon at the top right corner and then select settings. Now within the settings you should see the option profile pin. Select that and then you should see this prompt profile pin. All you have to do is simply enable it, and then before you can create a pin you have to type in your password. So type in your password. Now once you type in your password, click on continue or select continue and then create any profile pin that you like. So for instance, I'll just write 0000, so 0000, and then select submit. And now you should see this, your profile pin has been saved. So whenever you want to access this profile, you have to type in that particular pin so that you can access the profile. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below and I'll see you on the next one.